मेरा मन कहने लगा पास आके न तू दूर जा. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Vivienne Westwood.
And your jewelry?
Jewelry, I really don't remember. Sorry. Can you see which brand?
Come on.
Find out. I'll tell you.
Okay, if you have to give GQ Man of the Year, so who will that person be?
Somebody with one quality.
Which love about that guy?
One quality about the ideal man.
I think this year should go to our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi.
But from Bollywood, if we ask.
Oh, from Bollywood. Oh, okay. Let me think. I think Ranveer Singh.
Why not Salman?
Oh, why not him? Yeah. But I thought I'm supposed to say anything I like.
Yeah, but then.
Ranveer Singh. I don't know. There's something so fresh about him. He's so refreshing, So I like him, and he's very different, something new that you get to see, right? Everyone's so uptight, everyone's so predictable, and here's a guy who just absolutely go by his impulse, an outsider, like a complete outsider. So this year, I think I'd love to give it to Ranveer Singh.
But do you personally visit award functions?
Sorry?
Do you personally visit award functions?
Believe in them. Why not? They do exist. We do believe in them. But my only thing against them is there are way too many of them, and sometimes they are very long. आप बात करते टाइम फोटो मत लीजिए please. And but this one is not like that. It'll be 1 hour show and it's very nice.
But Kanna, experts say that award functions are fake and biased at times. So do you agree with this?
Well, GQ stands for something different, and if we have like 10 GQ awards, that won't be fair, right? One GQ award which is classy, which is prestigious, and it's encouraging, successful men, it's nice. But if we have 10 GQ award, and I'll have to go for all 10 GQ award and collect Woman of the Year trophy for 10 awards, then it'll be too much.
Last question, if you get a chance to choose one between two, award or reward, what would you do?
Award or
reward, what would you do?
What is reward? Like appreciation or money?
Depends. What platform are you?
Yeah, depends.
One last question. Mr. Modi is in US, of course, he's meeting Barack Obama. Out of the two men, out of Barack Obama and Narendra Modi, who do you think is the best dressed?
Best dressed. They can be wearing anything, they like.
Thumbs up.
Really?
Yeah, we try around and give you option. Thank you.
So yeah, what they do for that, they can wear anything they like. It doesn't matter. I wish I knew.
take your time. It's okay.
She doesn't really have a choice there.
Hi. So who are you wearing tonight?
Gaurav Gupta, my favoritist.
And if given you a chance, so who will that one Bollywood actor which you want to get GQ Man of the Year?
GQ Man of the Year. Actually, there are lots. This year, I think Farhan Akhtar.
Why so?
Because I think he was amazing in Bhagmilka and he's quite an all-rounder in terms of performance. I think Rajkumar as well because he's unique and he's really different and he's such a fantastic performer.
DDLJ has completed 1,000 weeks in Maratha Mandir.
Wow!
And so is there any DDLJ memory?
Yeah, I think everybody who's grown up at that time has a hectic DDLJ memory. I was in boarding school and we sort of took a day off, went to Bangalore and watched it. So I think that's my
What's the dialogue that just recollects during
I can't remember. You caught me at a bad time. I'm not going to be able to say anything. Ow. I didn't answer that one.
Award ceremonies are more about how people present themselves. Narendra Modi is in the US, crossing the Barack Obama. Out of the two men, who do you think is better?
I don't want to discuss politicians dressing right here just now. They're not my favorite people.
Do you believe in awards?
Do I believe in awards? Yeah, I do. I think awards are really great because they make a person, they sort of reiterate the fact that you're doing something right. And it's a way to appreciate people's work. And I think people for who they are as well, like especially awards like JQ. But I just wish that in our country we could trust awards more. And I think people like GQ are really good because they have a wide range of awards and they're really credible. But I don't think that all awards are very credible. I wish we had more credible awards in our country.
Okay, Heather and Bangman are releasing on the same day. So which is that first movie that you would prefer watching?
I'd watch both for different reasons.
No, the first preference of yours.
You put it, that's really mean. They're so different. And both Hrithik Roshan and Shahid Kapoor are amazing for different reasons. And filmmakers are, I mean, you can't compare Heather and Shahid. What am I saying? Heather and Bang Bang, yeah. Oh my god, how do I remember? She is a diva even today and she is just incredibly beautiful. She's enigmatic, she's alluring, she's everything that a woman should be. And I think when I'm in her presence, I think everybody, you can't help but admire her and just wish that you grow up and look like her. She's so beautiful.
Okay.
Someone who's ouch. Okay. I think the GQ man, apart from being like impeccable and beautifully dressed and being insanely talented, also has to be a little crazy and quirky. I think that's what completes it.